Hello everybody, this is Jonathan, and basically in this video I will be showing you guys how to update Haiku OS. So to update it, what you guys will need to do is click where this feather icon is, click onto it, and now from here go to applications, and now we'll find a tool called software updater. Click onto it, and now it's going to start checking for any updates, and now these all are for updates that we guys will need to do. So to start updating, all you guys want to do is click onto update now button, and what that basically will do is start updating the entire system. Now this may take a while, but this will be installing the latest version of Haiku OS, beta version of it, so it's going to take a while. I'm going to pause this video and I'll be back when it's done. So now we'll see a message like this: update completed, a reboot is necessary to complete the update process. So all guys need to do is click onto reboot, and that will basically reboot the entire system, and it should boot up. So yeah, so you guys can see it is now working. You guys can do whatever you want to do in here, and you can check out all of the updated softwares. Now if you guys are really technical and you guys want to try to do it within a terminal, then you guys can indeed do that. Now this is for more of an advanced user, so if you're not advanced and you're kind of new, then you guys can skip that part and just move on. But I just want to show you guys basically how wonderful for terminal is, and how to use it basically as a basic thing. So as this will be a simple command which will allow us within the terminal to update the system. Now if you want to update it within the terminal, go to applications, and now we'll see terminal. So this is a terminal, so it's a text-based interface that allows you to do some commands to tell the computer what to do. So the same as a graphical user interface, but instead is text. So basically, if you want to update it, do pkg man update and upgrade. And now what that would do is check for any updates. I think it's going to be a pkg man update, isn't it? See? So just put down pkg man and update. So this is how you guys will be able to update the system using the terminal by running this simple command. I'm not going to go too much in depth, as I want this to be a very simple tutorial on how to basically use it in a graphical user interface. But you guys can indeed use it on a text-based interface if you really wanted to. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching this video on how to update Haiku OS. It is very simple. It's just a few clicks within the terminal. All we need to do is do pkg update, but we can obviously use a graphical user interface like we just did in this video. So anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.